Welcome guys, today we are going to do a DIY brush slash pencil holder, and what you're going to need is one of these plastic jars, some paint brushes, any will do. You know, it says a pack from Walmart, very inexpensive, maybe like about $3 or so. And then you're also going to need some tape. Now the tape could be masking tape, any kind of tape you want to use will work, and you're going to need some paints. Now these paints are from Walmart also. They were like 50 cents each. Maybe about two of them were 89 cents, and these are acrylic paints. Make sure to get acrylic paints for this. So what we're going to do is grab this tape here, and then we're going to apply it to the top area. You know what, more so like the middle. We're going to apply it to the middle area and the top and part of the bottom, not all of it, just mostly the middle area. This is going to serve to make your labeling, your fake little label, and it's gonna protect the plastic from getting smeared with the rest of the paint to make this way easier on you. So once you do the top, you want to do the same to the middle and the bottom. Just trying to show you real quick. Can't really see it on camera too much. So in this portion of the video, it's going to speed up, and don't judge me. I'm using the receipt as like a little tray because I don't have like where to put the paint on. So we're just gonna put a little bit of red on there. Now this is ripe tomato red. I'm choosing this color. You could choose any color for your jelly, but I want to go for a strawberry look. We're going to grab like a flat-headed brush like so. And we're going to apply it over the tape line. You can go as high as you want to make it look like your jelly jar is a lot more fuller, but I want to go for, you know, lower. Now another idea is you can also use glitter paints, anything else to decorate it, but I just want it to be really simple and just wanted to make a cute little jelly jar. So you're going to keep going around and around. Don't worry if it's a little patchy. Once it dries up, you're going to go back and you're going to correct that by adding another coat. So I went off camera and did the bottom part. Only because it's a little hard to do this while the camera's like right in front of me. My hands are like over it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about it going over, you know, the tape. This is a detail brush. Just showing you real quick what the brushes look like for detail. And I'm just going to go over it again with another coat. So showing you all over around, and some paints also that I will be using. These are all acrylic paints. It's drying up some. As you can see, it looks more matte. And I'm going to grab this white paint now. Oh, don't forget to remove the tape. I'm sorry. Remove the tape. Once you remove it, it's going to look a lot crispier in the line. So now we're going to start applying the white color. Now you can use any color for your labeling. You don't have to use exactly the colors I want, but this is what I'm doing. So when you reach towards the top, what you want to do is be very careful, and you're about to see what I'm talking about. The middle you can go out crazy as much as you want, but when you reach that top, just like so, you want to be very careful with a steady hand. Remember, this video is edited, to be faster, only because this took way longer than the actual video length. So if you see me going fast, that's just edited. But yeah, take your time on this. Don't rush. You want it to come out nice. I rushed a little bit, so don't do what I did. And when you're doing this, also make sure to have something underneath your little jar and set up some newspapers or something on the floor, because I did get paint on the floor. And this is acrylic paint. So you guys could change it up a bit. I did add some like half circles to mine to make like the little labeling front. You don't have to do this. You could just make a straight line like it was before, or you can add different designs and shapes to the top. Now I'm going to do a border around mine. You can use any color you want. I just picked out this colors because I don't know. I just picked out these colors. So you're just going to grab your paintbrush, dab, and then pull. You're going to keep repeating this all the way around to create the borders. You're going to basically trace over the white lines. So you're going to keep tracing all the way around. Kind of similar to how you see an actual label, and some of them do have like these borders or designs. You just want to do the same and just trace over. Now, if it does look patchy, as I said before, just wait till it dries, go back and add another coat on top. Going to grab some black and some red and mix it up together to try to get a darker shade of red. Now, if you know anything about color, we already seeing if you add black to any color, it's going to make it darker, and if you add white, it's going to make it lighter. Just like yellow and red make orange, blue and yellow make green, simple colors like that. Just a simple rules. I am trying to create a different red only because I only have the red tomato. Now, you don't have to use a different color red. You could use the same red, but I just want to slightly change it. We're going to begin to draw our strawberries in. So to do the strawberries, you're going to do kind of like a triangle, kind of like an oval. You're just going to do like so. It doesn't have to be perfect or pretty. You can take your time and do it better, but it's going to look like strawberries regardless. And you're going to do a second one. It's going to come out looking like a heart. And then you're going to go to the left side and do another one. So kind of like an oval, but kind of like a triangle. Next, you're going to grab a detail brush, which is pretty small. And you're going to trace the outside of the shape you created. And you're going to keep tracing, and you're going to make something that kind of looks like cheese wedges in the middle. Just kinda. And just keep tracing. This is going to give the illusion the shape of a strawberry. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry about it. You don't have to be Picasso. I don't have to be Picasso. As you can see, mine don't look very expert, but it's still gonna look cute. So what I'm doing now is going to make a little bit more darker red. So I'm going to create the inside of the lines of the strawberry. You can use black, you can use a different color to do that. You know the little seeds that the strawberry has? You just want to grab your brush and pull. Grab the brush and pull. You want to hold the brush closer, lower, only because you want to have more of a grip on your brush and more control. Next, we're going to grab this green color. You can use any green you want, any color, but I'm going to use green for the strawberries on the top for the leaf color. So you're going to grab a flat-headed brush, a smaller one, and then you're going to do like kind of triangles, little pizza slicers. So 1, 2, and 3, and then repeat 1, 2, 3. And if it does look blotchy, as I said before, just wait till it dries, go back and add another coat. Now I did go off camera and create more strawberries, just like in the beginning steps. From the first strawberries we made, you can go back and do some more on your own or whatever design you want to do around the labeling. And a quick thing, if you mess up your lettering, once you do your lettering, you can go back and add the base color you had underneath the lettering. And this is going to cover your mistake. Unlike ink, paint is forgiving. Alright guys, this is the last step. This is the important step. This is the sealer. Now I bought the sealer from Dollar Tree. It was $1. You're going to use a flat-headed brush. Make sure it is big enough, or you can use a sponge. And you're going to seal the sealer on top of your paint. Don't be stingy on the sealer. It's fine. It's going to look a little glue, like mushy, not mushy. It's gonna look like pasty, really pasty. You're gonna start to get worried. Oh my god, is it gonna look nasty? No, it's gonna dry off and it's gonna look clear. So don't worry about that. If it looks like it's too much, it does have directions in the back how to dilute it, but you can just apply it simply like this. Make sure to apply your sealant all over where the paint is at. Now this is going to help your paint from chipping, and in case you have any spills or anything, it's going to protect your paint. If you do manage to get the glue where you don't want it on the actual, the plastic, you can go with a Q-tip and quickly clean it off before it dries off. So we're pretty much done, guys. We're just gonna have to let it dry off, and that is it. Now you can use this for makeup brushes. Make sure to add some little rocks or something in there to hold the weight down, and then put your brushes inside. Now, what's the benefits of having something like this is it's going to be unique. No one else is going to have it, and then you're going to feel proud because you made it on your own. Why are you going to pay all this money for a makeup brush holder when you could do something for yourself and feel proud about it? You can also use it to put pencils in or anything else you want to put. You can also make a hole in the top and make a piggy bank. You can do this with your kids as an arts and crafts idea, or you could just do it for yourself, as I said before. If you guys like this video, please hit that notification button and that subscribe button. Oh, I just said it backwards. Well, anyways, You know what I mean. Hit that notification button, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Also check out Lore_Glams for makeup looks and inspiration, and DM me on there for any looks. Remember, it is Lore_Glams at IG. See ya!